Big thanks to the team at YOLO-liv for sending out this wee chap, the YoloCam S3, a 4K DSLR quality webcam. YOLO stands for You Only Live Once, and I fully intend to spend that life playing tabletop miniature war games, which are also, coincidentally, a great testing ground for cameras. If you're a YouTuber, especially one who films Warhammer 40k battle reports, then let's give you a wee look through the lens of the YoloCam S3. Most of the miniatures here are only 15mm in height, and the game's set out under entirely normal lighting conditions, so let's see how much detail it captures, hopefully not too much, or you'll see how bad a painter I actually am. The camera uses a 1.3 inch sensor, which is large for a webcam, and that's really the main thing worth noting. A larger sensor should mean better detail and cleaner results in everyday lighting, so this footage is a chance for you to see whether that holds true. The small figures and terrain on the board make a good test of what the camera can resolve. The lens is roughly 24mm with an f1.85 aperture, which just means it lets in a fair amount of light for desk setups. I didn't add any extra lighting here, and the image stays reasonably balanced, shadows don't get too murky, and bright areas stay under control. The camera handles that automatically. Autofocus is quick and fairly confident. When I move the camera towards a unit or miniature, it snaps into focus without too much of the wobbling that you sometimes get from webcams. If you often hold items up to the camera when recording, this should give you a sense of how it behaves. You might also notice a touch of natural background softness simply because of the larger sensor. It's subtle, but it does help separate the subject a wee bit. The digital zoom stays usable if you want a closer view of individual models, though how far you'd want to push it depends on your own preferences. On the build front, the body is aluminium, or aluminum if you're American, and one of the camera's listed USPs is that it won't overheat, even during long streaming sessions. Honestly, I didn't even know that was a thing, but at least I could tell my orcs from my Chaos Beastmen. There's a companion software, YOLO-liv Compose, which you could download to handle settings and updates. Aside from that, I hope I've given you enough footage of tiny things under ordinary lighting to help you make your own mind up. You only live once. Big thanks once again to YOLO-liv for sending out the YoloCam S3, and for a video recording platform with an entire suite of content creation features, be sure to check out Alitu at alitu.com.